Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Paul Nyaroso. If it's your first time you're visiting my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to enable the notifications. So in this video today, I'll be showing you the position of the CPU chipset. So many times you may find people calling the system unit that's referring to them the CPU. In this case, I'm going to show you the position and where the CPU is, and in fact I'll show you the CPU itself. So over here, this is my motherboard. As you can see, this is the CPU phone here. As you can see, this is the CPU phone. Then down here, this is the heatsink. So the CPU is located down here, down below the heatsink. So in between the CPU and the heatsink, we have a thermal paste, which helps in the cooling of the CPU, together with a heatsink and the CPU fan. Because during processing, CPU now gets working and heats up, so it needs to be cooled down. So that's the function of these three items: the CPU fan, the heatsink, and the thermal paste. So let's see the CPU. So the first thing we do, we just need to remove this, because you have some nuts, as you can see at both edges. These are the nuts. So you have to disassemble this and to see the CPU chipset. So depending the motherboard, so carefully I'll remove this and then see the CPU. So guys, this is the chipset down here. So before we go to it, let me now show you what's calling the thermal paste. So the thermal paste is here between this heatsink and the CPU. So this is the thermal paste, but in this case, this my client's machine, the thermal paste has dried out, so we need to replace it. So not to do it in this video, I'll make up another video and show you on how to replace the thermal paste. So the first thing, you have to remove this thermal paste, and then put another thermal paste. I'll show you in another video. So in this video, just talking about the CPU. So this is the chipset. So there you go, down here. This is now the chipset. This is now the CPU, the central processing unit, responsible for processing of data and then all the activities taken in the machine. And so that's the position. So as you can see, the CPU is just like a small chipset that you can even hide it in your hands. It's a small thing, and not as people refer to the system unit of the CPU. So as you can see, this is the CPU, this is the chipset. So how to return it to its position. That's the position. Then turn this on carefully. There you go. The CPU is back to its position. Now guys, we have to return the CPU phone. And so as I have said before, the thermal paste, the heatsink, and the CPU fan helps in cooling the CPU, because during processing of data and information and other activities taken through your computer, the system gets heat, and that's why we recommend using some extra fans. So like this position, this is the CPU fan location over here. Then again you have another system fan over here. So the more the fan, the more the system temperature will be kept in a nice position, in a nice way, and thus the system will not overheat. So thanks guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.